Hello! Oh my gosh, you guys, so proud of you. We finished all 8 parts of speech. This is your last review. So, real quick video, we'll give you the homework, and then tomorrow you will have completed all the grammar that was expected of you in this course. I hope you all learned something. If you only learned 3 or 4 of the parts of speech and how they function, that's still amazing, okay? You learned 5, 6, 7, 8, even better. Um, just keep practicing. You can always log into this website. You all have the password. Watch the videos. I have a bunch of corrections online with the other videos. And you guys are honestly 2 thumbs up. Awesome. So let's give this a listen to, and we'll go through the homework, and you'll be good for the day.
Welcome back to Get Smart. You are on lesson 20, which is a review lesson, which also means that it's a quiz lesson. So we are going to have a super fast review of everything that you've learned so far. Then you will diagram some sentences, and then you will have a quiz. Here is our super fast review. In lessons 1 through 11, you learned that subjects tell us whom or what a sentence is about. Verbs express an action or a state of being. Imperative sentences give commands. Their subject is you understood. Adjectives modify nouns and pronouns. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Phrases are groups of words without both a subject and a verb that act together as a single part of speech. Prepositional phrases always begin with a preposition and end with an object of the preposition. The whole phrase usually acts as an adjective or an adverb. In lessons 12 through 17, you learned all about conjunctions and how to diagram many compound elements: compound subjects, compound verbs, compound direct objects. You learned that coordinating conjunctions join elements that are the same, and there are 7 of them: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. You learned that correlative conjunctions also join sentence elements that are the same. Either or, both and are 2 examples of correlative conjunctions. You learned a little bit more about verbs, and that intransitive complete verbs are action verbs that do not transfer their action to anyone or anything. You learned that transitive active verbs do transfer their action to a receiver, and the receiver of that action is the direct object. Direct objects answer what or whom did the subject verb. In lessons 18 through 19, you learned that indirect objects are nouns and pronouns that receive the direct object. They answer for whom or to whom about the direct object. You must have a direct object in order to have an indirect object. You learned that interjections are words that show excitement or emotion, and they're not grammatically related to the rest of the sentence. You also learned that nouns of direct address are nouns that name the person or people being spoken to. Nouns of direct address also have no grammatical relationship to the rest of the sentence. You now know about 5 noun jobs: subjects, objects of prepositions, direct objects, indirect objects, and nouns of direct address. You also now know about all 8 parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Way to go! Now it's time for you to diagram the 5 sentences that go with this lesson, and after you have done that, you will be all set to take your quiz. Have fun, and I will see you in lesson 21.
Woo! Look at everything. That's everything we learned. Everything. You guys are brilliant. Okay? That was a lot of grammar that you should be able to take on to your next class. Or if you're in my class again, we'll have great reviews about it. We'll do this again. I'm not going to lie. You'll just keep getting better at it, and then you'll just be able to crush it. So, you guys are awesome. This is great grammar work for before you go into pre-GED. Okay? And I think it's really good if you have kids. You can help them with their grammar at school. So let's take a look at the lesson. Get Smart Lesson 20. Our final lesson. This was what was planned on for the whole year. So if we're coming here, I'll make this a little bigger. Nice little summarization of what you did. Lessons 1 through 11. You may read through that. Pause the video if you'd like. Okay. 12 through 17. Again, you may pause the video if you like to read through it. Lesson 18 and 19. Again, pause the video if you like. Give this a read. Come down here so you can read the rest. Our parts of speech. This is everything we learned, guys. You guys did great. Nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. Okay, so let's come down here. And the first question. My sweet students occasionally give me white, purple, and yellow flowers. My sweet students occasionally give me white, purple, and yellow flowers. So you're going to diagram that sentence. Here is your key. On to the next one. Sarah invited the neighbors to her classmates. I read it wrong. Sorry, guys. Sarah invited the neighbors and her classmates to her birthday party. Sarah invited the neighbors and her classmates to her birthday party. Pause the video, write out your sentence, diagram, come down to the key, pause the video again when we get there, and bam. Okay, good. I'm going to move on. Number 3. Awesome! My teacher gave me a good grade on my report. Awesome. My teacher gave me a good grade on my report. Diagram that sentence. Here's your key. Good. Head down to the next one. Jay, where did the bird drop the worm? Jay, where did the bird drop the worm? Come down here. Here's your answer key. Good. Sean, did you fix the leak in the guest bathroom? Sean, did you fix the leak in the guest bathroom? Come down here to our key. And there you go, 100%. You guys are amazing. So, again, I hope you're all staying healthy and safe. Last part of our grammar, we'll do the corrections tomorrow, and we will be done. Congratulations, you guys. Super proud of you for your staying in attendance for this program. It really helps with the funding for when we start back up in summer or fall. I'm not sure when we're coming back, you guys, to be perfectly honest. I hope you're all doing very, very well. Hopefully get you some information tomorrow about what's going on next week. I highly doubt we're doing anything, and then I'll try to find some information about testing as well, because I don't know if we are doing that online or if we are going to be doing that in the school. I have no idea. It's kind of all up in the air because of the coronavirus. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I miss all of you a lot. I'll see you later.